was tired of the same old story. Found herself at the end of glory. Packed her bags, left the past behind, ready to embrace the world and find. She's free, she's wild, she's gonna live her life. No more tears, no more sacrifice. Dancing through the night, shining so bright. A beautiful woman, stepping into the light.